Joe Bishop and Jeremy Hardy up here in Tennessee at the Tennessee Classic Traditional Shoot on 5/5/18. Been raining since about 5 this morning maybe. We've been down low shooting. This is our tarp, our tent, our campsite. I'm getting dishwater right there from the rain. Back there's our shower. Got a little bit of water running off onto my tent, but I Scotch guard it really well. As you can see, it's nice and dry in there. Be honest with you, other than people staying in RVs in that big old white tent across there, we probably got one of the best campsites here. Huh? Yeah. The brown truck there's got a pretty ingenious. He's got that tarp hooked up to the back and he's got a cot underneath that. He's pretty good too. He's good and dry. Now that guy down there on the hill, on the slope, I don't know. They better have their head pointed uphill, I guess. We camped up there last time we were here. There's a whole bunch more people. If you go down this road right here, you go down the bottom. There's a lot of people in RVs and stuff. How many people do you think there are? Probably
1,500 people.
Yeah, probably about 1,500 people here. A bunch of people left this morning when it started raining, but me and Jeremy shot our shoot. We're gonna break it down in 2 days, and Jeremy looked at the radar and seen that it was gonna rain all day today, so we shot the whole shoot yesterday, and I've done okay. I'm probably about average, a little above average. Walk back here to my This is a shower. Come out here and prepare flip-flop, butt naked. Use that little pump ball there to wash up with. Got a little laundry going on there. Gotta bring it in and get it dried off here in a few minutes. All in all, we dry and we're having a good time. We ain't really been able to shoot today. We go out and shoot, but hoping it'd knock off. There's a bow over there guys selling that I'd like to go shoot just to shoot it across the range, but I ain't been able to yet. Fixing to have to start some chili and waiting on my dishwater to get ready so I can wash out that frying pan and get our chili going. We got a potluck supper down at the bottom tonight.